Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Krita and import or sketch your composition. You should already have a rough sketch on a multiply layer. Next, create a new transparent layer for Lineart and name it clearly. Choose a brush with a hard edge and pressure opacity, then enable the stabilizer between 5 and 15 to reduce shakiness. Make sure your tablet drivers are active. Once done, lower the sketch opacity to about 30% so your lines read without overpowering the brushwork. Now you draw the actual lines. Work in long, confident strokes rather than tiny scribbles, and zoom between 100 and 200% for detail. Vary pressure to create weight, thicker toward contact points, thinner on end points to convey form. If you need consistent curves, use the Bezier or assistant tools for guides. Once strokes are down, tidy joins with the eraser set to a soft round or the move tool to nudge segments. Make sure to save incremental versions as you progress. Finish by cleaning stray pixels and refining junctions. Zoom in and erase unwanted bits. Then use a duplicate of your Lineart layer merged with visible layers for non-destructive cleanup. Once refined, lock the transparency and add flats beneath the line layer using a colorize mask or the fill tool with select color range to catch all gaps. If lines look jagged, apply a tiny Gaussian blur at 0.30. Then sharpen selectively. Troubleshooting tip. If strokes are laggy, reduce canvas DPI or disable heavy assistance and restart Krita.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.